Welcome to Food Cave. Today I show you the ingredients of our goulash soup. In the previous clip I've shown you how to trim the top side and what part of the top side we use for the goulash soup. As you can see, we all cut it into even blockies. And then the further ingredients are oil, sunflower oil, flour, the second jus of our gravy, potatoes, carrots, peppers, onions, garlic, tomato paste, red wine, crushed black pepper, a Hungarian herb mix, some bird's eye chilies, cayenne pepper and hot smoked paprika. Later put some pepper and salt in it, depends how hot the soup is going to get. Thanks for watching, and this is a soup you can also enjoy in summer as in winter. Thank you.